You are going to love the 2021 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, fog lamps, fourth passenger door, power third passenger door. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.